is Dewa United preparing ahead of the away match against Persija Jepara?
I think at this moment, I think at this moment we mainly focused on ourselves. We had against Bayakara, it was quite a difficult match for us, but it was difficult because we didn't do a few fundamental things in our ball possession. And I think that's why we never could dominate that game. Of course, I think the second half was a different match, but it was also a red card. But at this moment, I think that we focus especially in the way we play, and that should result in wins. And not only talk about Tiga point, but first we have to play better, and then the results will come. Like 3 years in a row.
Oke, dia bilang ya, dia rasa sekarang kita nih harus fokusnya pada diri sendiri. Terus lawan Bayangkara FC kemarin tuh sulit. Kenapa? Karena kita nggak lakuin hal dasar. Pas lagi kita pegang bola, pas lagi ball possession. Jadi kita juga nggak bisa main baik. Terus babak kedua beda karena ada kartu merah. Terus jadi pada pertandingan kali ini dia ingin fokus pada cara main dulu, main bagus. Baru habis itu kalau bisa hasil akhirnya adalah menang.
How do you feel ahead of tomorrow match? Are the weather adaptation and the pitch condition in Jepara is particularly concerned for you?
I know Jepara is now not so good situation, but we are still focused for tomorrow and we are ready to win. And today I see the pitch, and the pitch is, I thought it was bad, but I thought today it's good, so I think tomorrow we can play our football.
Dia tahu Jepara sekarang dalam situasi yang nggak baik, tetapi dia mau fokus pada diri kita sendiri aja. Terus dia juga lihat di lapangan, dia kira lapangannya jelek, tapi ternyata pas dia datang ternyata bagus. Jadi dia harapannya bisa mengeluarkan cara bermain kita besok pada pertandingan hari esok. Okay, coach. Tomorrow some player cannot play like Rafael Strike and Ricky Gamboa. Do you have any other options to play?
Yeah, we also have Jaja, who already didn't play for a long time, and Jonathan is injured, but I think it's important who is now with the group. And I think we selected in the players that can play in a kind of system. And that system is something that we have to guard. It's our identity. Like Jepara has wood, you have wood, a lot of wood. Yeah. So Jepara is well known for the wood. So Jepara have always to deliver wood or make wood, and we have to play a different kind of football. And I think that's more important than who is there or who's not there, because we can all play football.
Oke, menurut pelatih juga pemain yang lain yang nggak bisa main adalah Jaja, udah lama cedera. Terus ada juga Jonathan, dia nggak bisa main. Terus penting sekarang adalah pemain yang berangkat sama kita sekarang. Terus pelatih juga bilang kita pilih pemain yang bisa main di Dewa United, itu adalah yang bisa main dengan cara bermain kita. Arahnya kemana? Contoh seperti Jepara kan terkenal dengan kayu. Jadi kalian bikin produk apapun itu basicnya dari kayu. Jadi itu kan jadi kayak seperti kayak bermain kalau dalam sepak bola. Jadi kita mau mainnya berbeda, tetapi kalau melihat pemain itu nanti akan menyesuaikan. Okay, coach, how do you see the heavy schedule for the league in the last few weeks? Because also you will have a away game with Jepara, and then traveling is far, schedule is tight. How do you see?
I think that's not a problem. I think the flights are 1 hour. I think we 1 day before. I think we will have a good rest. And I think that when we played AFC Cup, we qualified now for the quarterfinal, and you have to play midweeks. Then the schedule get a little bit more tight. But like this is for me normal. I think we should be ready for this game.
Nggak ada masalah sebenarnya, kita flight juga cuma 1 jam, terus kita berangkat H-1, terus jadi bisa istirahat. Kalau kita lihat AFC kemarin itu lebih berat, lebih padat lagi daripada ini. Jadi menurut pelatih ini normal aja sebenarnya, jadi mestinya kita bisa main seperti biasa lah.
Yeah.
Same.
Yeah, for me, same. I agree with coach. It's not so problem, and yeah, because we have many good players, so we can change players if somebody tired. So it's not problem.
Dia sama dengan pelatih, kita punya banyak pemain bagus, jadi kalau ada apa-apa, ada yang cedera kita bisa ganti gitu.
I was only afraid of you. I was afraid. Because your blue one was in the beginning over the T. Put it. No, wait, the blue. No. Yeah, and this was matte.
Matematik.
Put the blue one over the T. Why is matte?
Oke, terima kasih banyak teman-teman. Mungkin kita terus saja revisi pada ini.
Silakan kalau mau foto.